Hey everybody, Zach at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota, and a beautiful boat to take you through today. Very excited. It's an older boat. It's a 93 47 Skipperliner, but it's in wonderful shape and we're going to explore that. And it really starts with the outside. You can just see how nice and how clean it is. Nice bright and white, huge windows. Work our way around the bow of the boat. Look at how deep this boat is. Nice deep V, all steel, big rails. Very easy to walk around the bow section of this boat. Work your way down the other side. Again, just a good looking profile, lots of boat, and I'm excited to show you around. So from there, we're going to start on the inside. So as we enter the boat, we're going to enter today on the port side of the boat. There is a starboard entry side as well. Brings you right into this massive salon, which is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful chairs in here, the galley. You have seating over to the other side. Absolutely beautifully clean and very spacious. Nice big windows around this boat as well. Get you facing forward here, and we're going to focus at first just up on the helm, where you got two side seats, both to the port and starboard side. VHF radio down underneath along with your control panel. Very easy to use boat when it comes to the shifters. Your bow thruster is front and center. Easy display of gauges, depth finder, and things to that effect. Focusing back on the boat part here, they have their chairs set up here. You could set them up wherever you want. You could really reconfigure this entire salon to be any which way you want. Nice headliner, good looking vaunces on the boat. Work our way over to the galley and take a look at the size of this bar setup. It's beautiful, it's very well kept, very clean. Microwave is stepped up above along with a lot of nice storage. Down below you've got your cooktop with an oven, 3-burner cooktop. Nice storage all around, updated sink, and updated 3/4 size refrigerator. From there, let's work our way to the back of the boat. Working our way back, you've got this nice door. Takes you right into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is very roomy. You've got storage off to the left side of the bed as we're looking at it here. Outlets, ceiling fan up above. Notice how everything is just nice and clean. Work our way to the other side, you've got closet and storage. Love how they do this as well. You have direct access to the back of the boat through a sliding glass door or screen door. You can also see the dinghy package back there. Access in the middle. We'll look at more of that. You do got port and starboard side access as well onto the aft deck. But let's focus more on the inside. I apologize, I'm just running straight through on the video here. Cut free today, but let's take a look off at the head compartment. It's a beautiful head. Work our way up and down. Nice big window, obviously blinds there. Storage to the back side, great for towels and things to that effect. Does have a separate glass shower. It's very nice and very roomy. And then off to the other side you would have the mirror, the vanity, your sink, storage down below. So just a good looking head compartment on this 47 Skipperliner. All right, so again, uncut, we're just gonna keep filming here. Off to the other side. Go down the steps, get a beautiful painting of Red Wing there. Go down the steps, and that is gonna take us to our secondary bedroom here. Notice the carpeting all nice and clean. You got a nice drawer system here. Very big bed underneath here. Just a good looking overall setup for a secondary sleeping area. All right, so that kind of exits us out of the interior of the boat, and from there, let's go up top. So when it comes to the exterior, we talked about the back deck a little bit, having port and starboard entry points. Nice sea-deck flooring on the back of it here for the non-skid. Also want to point out the 10-foot HIGHFIELD dinghy along with the Johnson motor. That will go with it as part of the package. Nice swim platform here. And from there, to get up to the bridge, you've got a ladder here. Also notice there's a little canopy over the back. That's kind of nice. Again, I'll focus a little bit on the HIGHFIELD just so you can see it. The motor over here, all in good running condition. He's got it set up with a set of St. Croix davits. You can see them there. Just a nice little dinghy package to go with the boat. All right, so now we're up top. This to me is an absolute highlight. First of all, you have all fresh flooring up here. Beautiful gray flooring. Take a look at this nice seating setup that's coming with the boat. Really gives the boat a classy look. It's nice, it's comfortable. You got the fire pit. Work your way to the front and look at all the new seating. All the upholstery has been redone up top here. It's got a cover for the bridge. All fresh upholstery. Looks beautiful. And then you also have, I'll try to flip up, this huge sunshade. Again, a beautiful gray color combo. Just looks great and just adds a element to this boat that is noteworthy. And while we're up top, a quick focus on the helm. It's very simplistic again. Really, you just have the bow thruster, you got the engine trims, a basic set of array of gauges here. You could certainly add all the electronics you want should you end up wanting more things to that effect up on the bridge. So before we exit, one area people always ask me about: show me photos and video of the motor compartment. Commonly it's hard to get access to them and they don't always show good. This boat here has 3 big individual hatches all held up with struts. As we look inside the 4.3 V6s, it is exceptionally clean. Look at how clean this is. Kohler generator, the floors are clean, everything's organized. Fuel tank set off to the side, battery charger, auto fire extinguisher, bilge pumps. Very clean, very dry bilge compartment. Just everything looks good, and I love showing motor compartments like that. It's much better than some where they're dirty and have water in them and they just don't show good. But this is a very clean, very well put together motor compartment on the Skipperliner. So that there concludes a quick video walk around of this 47 Skipperliner, a boat that should certainly impress inside and out. For anyone looking for that budget-friendly cabin on the water, that live-aboard style boat, this certainly should satisfy the means. Compact in size for how for how big Skipperliners usually are, but well built and just a very, very nice setup. Again, I'm Zach at River Valley Marine here in Red Wing, Minnesota. We appreciate you taking the time to view our video. Please call, text, or email with any questions or to set up a time to view. Thanks again and have a great day.